20 business ideas in Botswana. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to start a business in Botswana and you're searching for ideas that are practical, profitable, and ready for the future, then this video is for you. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications button because we share powerful business ideas every week. Let's jump straight into 20 business ideas you can start in Botswana today. 1. Poultry farming. Chicken, meat, and eggs are always in high demand. Botswana imports a lot of chicken, so local farmers make good profit. You can start small and grow fast. 2. Mobile food vending. People love convenient and fast food. Selling snacks, local dishes, or grilled meat using a food truck or small cart can give you daily income. 3. Solar installation business. Botswana has sunshine almost all year. Many homes and farms need solar panels to save money. This market is growing quickly. 4. Water bottling and purification. Clean drinking water is important. A small purification and packaging business can serve neighborhoods, offices, and schools. 5. Car wash and detailing. More cars are on the road every year. A simple car wash station with extra services like waxing and interior cleaning can make strong profit. 6. Rental property business. Many people are looking for affordable housing. Building or renting out rooms, hostels, or single-family homes can create steady monthly income. 7. Tourism services. Botswana is famous worldwide for wildlife. You can start services like guided tours, car rentals, photo tours, cultural experiences, or camping packages. 8. Cattle farming. Cattle are very valuable in Botswana. Beef production is one of the strongest industries. A small herd can grow into a major business. 9. Fashion and tailoring. People always need clothes. Tailoring, custom-made outfits, school uniforms, and African designs can bring great income. 10. Mobile money and agent services. Botswana uses digital transactions daily. Becoming an agent for mobile money services helps you earn commissions easily. 11. Beauty and personal care. Salons, barbershops, nail studios, and skincare services are always in demand. This business grows quickly with good customer service. 12. Fresh produce supply. Selling vegetables, fruits, and farm produce to supermarkets and restaurants is a stable business because food demand never stops. 13. Transport services. People need transportation for work, school, and travel. Options include taxis, delivery bikes, or small buses for routes. 14. Construction services. Botswana is developing fast. Brickmaking, plumbing, painting, roofing, and building supply stores offer long-term income opportunities. 15. ICT and tech solutions. You can offer services like website design, digital marketing, software development, or cybersecurity. Businesses need these services to grow. 16. Event planning and decorations. People celebrate weddings, birthdays, and graduations. Offering decoration, catering, and planning services can bring high profits. 17. Cleaning services. Homes, offices, and apartments need regular cleaning. You can offer daily, weekly, or monthly cleaning packages. 18. Bakery and snack production. Simple items like bread, donuts, cakes, biscuits, and fat cakes sell every day. Baking is one of the easiest businesses to start at home. 19. Second-hand clothing business. Affordable clothes are popular. Thrift clothes from wholesalers can give you high profit margins. 20. Agribusiness support services. You can sell animal feed, fertilizers, seeds, farming tools, or irrigation equipment. Farmers always need reliable suppliers. Final thought. Botswana is full of opportunities. You don't need to be perfect to start. You only need the courage to begin, the discipline to stay consistent, and the vision to grow your business step by step. If you believe in yourself, there is no limit to what you can build. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below which idea you want a full video on.